Ready to supercharge your Odoo website with a print-on-demand empire, effortlessly expanding your product range with customizable designs. First, let's install the Printify module. Head over to your Odoo apps page and search for Printify. Once you find it, click Install. Next, you'll need to configure your Printify API Key. Log into your Printify account, generate your API key from the settings, and paste it into the designated field within the Printify module in Odoo. Now, for the magic of product mapping, go to your product page in Odoo and navigate to the Printify tab. Here, you'll map each Odoo product variant to its corresponding Printify product. This ensures the right design goes on the right product. Finally, let's automate order routing. Once an order is confirmed on your Odoo website, the Printify module will automatically send the order details to Printify for fulfillment, streamlining your print-on-demand process. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to your Odoo website, ready to offer a vast array of customizable products and effortlessly handle fulfillment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tips and tricks.